showing you how to make monster bars. First, I'm going to start by showing you the ingredients you need. First, you're going to need 1 stick of melted butter. Then, you're going to need brown sugar. Then, you're going to need sugar. You're going to need 3 eggs. You're going to need peanut butter, baking soda, and vanilla. You're also going to need oatmeal. And lastly, you're going to need M&Ms and chocolate chips. You're also going to need an electric mixer. With the electric mixer, you're going to need a bowl. You're going to need a spatula. And you're going to need some measuring cups. First, you're going to start by preheating the oven to 350. First, you're going to start by putting your melted butter in the bowl. Pour it in. Next, you're going to take your brown sugar and you're going to measure out 1 cup. Then, you're going to take your sugar and you're also going to do 1 cup. Your peanut butter, and you're going to take this measuring cup and you're going to put 1.5 cups in. Okay, then you're going to pour it in. Once you have the 1.5 cups of peanut butter, you are going to add your 3 eggs. Following the eggs, you're going to add vanilla and your baking soda. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And also, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Okay, once you're done with that, you're going to be adding your 4.5 cups of your oatmeal. I'm going to start by just adding 2 cups, and then I will add the rest later. Okay, next I'm going to add the attachment to the mixer, and I will mix it up. You're going to add your bowl in. And mix it for around a minute or until everything gets combined. Once it's done mixing, you're going to add your other 2.5 cups of oatmeal. And then you're going to mix again. Once it's done mixing, I recommend pushing the edges down with a spatula. also off the mixer as well. And then continue mixing. Once it's mixed for about 2 minutes, it should be done. Okay. Once it is done, I'm going to move it back over to where I was before. Once you're done with that, it should look something like this. I'm just going to give it another stir, making sure that all the parts have gotten mixed up, and especially the bottom. After I'm done with that, you can add whatever toppings. I prefer M&Ms and chocolate chips. I will just be adding this whole bag. Okay. Once this is all in, I'm gonna hand stir it. Next, you're gonna grease your jelly roll pan, especially get the sides. Pour the mixture onto the pan. I would recommend flattening with your hands or a spatula. Once you've gotten this far, you're just gonna make sure you get the edges. Once it looks something like this, you should be good to go. So make sure you really get the edges covered, and if there's extra M&Ms, just try to push them in to the batter. Okay. From here, I'm gonna put this in the oven. You're gonna be putting this in the oven for 17 minutes. That's what it should look like when they're done.